Okay, here's your devotional for February 10th. Spurgeon uses the verse Luke 5:4. Launch out into the deep and let down your nets for a draught. We learn from this narrative the necessity of human agency. The draught of fishes was miraculous, yet neither the fisherman nor his boat nor his fishing tackle were ignored, but all were used to take the fishes. So, in the saving of souls, God worketh by means. And while the present economy of grace shall stand, God will be pleased by the foolishness of preaching to save them that believe. When God worketh without instruments, doubtless he is glorified, but he hath himself selected the plan of instrumentality as being that by which he is most magnified in the earth. Means of themselves are utterly unavailing. Master, we have toiled all the night, and have taken nothing. What was the reason of this? Were they not fishermen, plying their special calling? Verily, they were no raw hands. They understood the work. Had they gone about the toil unskilfully? No. Had they lacked industry? No, they had toiled. Had they lacked perseverance? No, they had toiled all the night. Was there a deficiency of fish in the sea? Certainly not. For as soon as the master came, they swam to the net in shoals. What, then, is the reason? Is it because there is no power in the means of themselves, apart from the presence of Jesus? Without him, we can do nothing. But with Christ, we can do all things. Christ's presence confers success. Jesus said, Jesus sat in Peter's boat, and his will, by mysterious influence, drew the fish to the net. When Jesus is lifted up in his church, his presence is the church's power. The shout of a king is in the midst of her. If I be lifted up, will draw all men unto me. Let us go out this morning on our work of soul fishing, looking up in faith, and around us in solemn anxiety. Let us toil till night comes, and we shall not labor in vain. For he who bids us let down the net will fill it with fishes. Okay, so in this devotional, Spurgeon talks about the fact that God uses humans, those are his instruments, and he talks about the fact that our plans only prosper if God wants them to prosper. But I want you to look at your actions this week and answer this question. Is God being glorified by your actions this week? Thank you.